Everybody, welcome back to another video about Ecash, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction of Ecash. What's the price update of Ecash? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Ecash, guys. So now the latest price of Ecash is absolutely going negative. Ecash and IDX is in a right now situation, they are going negative, but only now at this time only profitable token in the market is Gala token is best for investment. Now guys, in this video I'm talking about Ecash, guys. So first of all, if you are new in my channel, so please click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates videos. I hope you all subscribe my channel. Guys, the price of Ecash is about 0.000251 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Ecash. Furthermore, if we talk about the changes, negative 0.76% changes occur in the Ecash. And furthermore, if we talk about the trading volume, so now the changes goes in Ecash is completely going negative, guys. That's mean that lows that falls of Ecash are start. So be alert, be safe from lows, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos, guys. Subscribe now.